What's up, people? It's me again. For today's video, mga buddies, so today may Walmart. We are going to Walmart. Okay, mamalit me og. Ambot lang siya palit na mo. Pero look at me. Look at me and look at me. Wala na, gaandar na gusto. Gaandar na, gibiyaan ako. So, hapit ako gibiyaan, no? Gayaw-yaw na siya, no? Gayaw-yaw siya. Ngayon daw kay ko, sige na daw ko video-video. So, ang alang makahappy, manggod no makahappy. Happy. Nga. Let's go, Daddy.
Huh?
Oh. We're going up?
Thank you, Jesus. We're going up, honey.
Like, how much?
Well, not as much as yesterday, but maybe another 3,000 or 4,000 today.
Wow.
Honey, make sure you send Janelle some money. I don't want to tell you no more.
Okay, I'm not gonna tell you no more. So, mga madi, like, pinky kay ko sa tanan ng pinky. Oh. You see?